Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you retrieve your PC password on Windows 10? Well, it's really simple, so bear with me this one. Let's say there's a glitches and you're having a hard time logging in, and you can't retrieve the password itself and you don't know why. Well, all you need to do is basically click here, and after that it's just there's a bunch of options here, and yeah, this is an indicator that it is indeed a glitch when it's not really showing up here. So we're going to need to restart our device here. Just click on restart, not the shutdown. So it's basically restarting, and it's going to prompt us to a malware solver. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. There's things showing on my screen. I don't know if it's recorded in your end for privacy. And here you just click on reinstall and then retype your password and click here, and yeah, that just basically that'll solve the problem for you. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.